This video is an overview of the Google Analytics 4 platform. When you first log into Google Analytics, you'll arrive at the homepage. This is from analytics.google.com. This shows an overview of information that is relevant to your business. It also shows recently viewed content as well as data and insights about your property. Over time, GA4 will provide more personalized content suggestions. To the left is a menu where you can navigate through GA4. Reports lets you see user activity on your website or app. GA4 offers both default reports as well as customized reports. If you're looking for more than what Reports offers, check out the Explore page. There are many templates you can choose from. Once you create datasets, you'll be able to export them as analytics segments or audiences. The advertising section can help you understand the ROI of your advertising spend across channels. This can help you with budget allocation and evaluation. Once you link your GA4 account to Google Ads, it will show detailed campaign data. The admin section is where you can manage your GA4 accounts, properties, events, and data streams. You can also add or remove users. At the top of the screen is where you'll be able to switch between accounts and properties when needed. There's also this search bar. And ask any question you may have without having to try to manually find the answer, such as how many users came from direct traffic last month. Try it out.